Hi, this is Indy from Cathedral Dental, and I've been asked to tell you about holidays. Do you know what? I haven't been on a holiday for like ages. You know, last time I went on a holiday I think was 2004, which is like 5 years ago, which is like kind of crazy. But I'm at work all the time. I'm doing things like this, so that's why I haven't been away on holiday. I do actually plan to go on holiday at some point in the future, and I think my wife's going to probably end up killing me if I don't take her away anyway. And my little girl is always asking why don't we go away anyway, so I will actually book a holiday. And I actually want to go to Antarctica. I saw this thing in the Sunday Times about we're going to Antarctica, but I think my wife's not too keen on that. I think she wants to go somewhere warm, and I thought about skiing, but again she wants to go somewhere warm, so I think I'm going to be outvoted here, so we'll have to take her somewhere nice and sunny. I don't know, Spain. Where's sunny? Greece? I haven't been away for so long, I don't even know what holiday is, but we'll get something booked this year, so watch your space. And next time I do this vlog, I will actually have something to tell you, as opposed to just making stuff up randomly. Okay, if you want more information about the practice, give us a shout, cathedraldental.com.